Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I customize my 360 frontal wig, and this wig is from Dyhair777. This is their Burmese deep wave, and it's 180% density and 18 inches. This is what it looked like straight out of the package. There are 4 combs inside of the wig. There's 1 in the back, 2 in the middle, and 1 on the crown of the head. So this is what it looks like with the lace on. This is kind of me finger combing it. It looked really cute like this. I liked it a lot actually. So to start off, I'm gonna bleach the knots, and bleaching the knots basically just makes the hairline look a little more realistic. And I use the Ion line from Sally's, their 30 volume developer, and their bleach, and kind of just mix it up in a little bowl there and put it on the knots of the wig. After bleaching the knots and washing it out, this is what the curl pattern looks like. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it was looking like. Super pretty. And next I'm gonna go ahead and customize the frontal. When you're doing this, I would highly suggest grabbing a photo and then just kind of mimicking whatever the photo looks like. That's what helps me out a lot. This time I tried to do it freehand, and it did kind of turn out uneven, which is fine. But definitely have a reference photo or reference video while you're doing this. It makes everything a lot easier. And to do this, all I'm using are some tweezers, and I'm just kind of pulling away any areas that have too much hair. I did over bleach the frontal just a tad bit, but it doesn't bother me that much, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And then I'll fix it at a later time, but I think it still looks pretty good. It's not like blonde, so I'll be alright. And if you guys want to see this final look, give me a like. I will have that video coming out pretty soon. I will be showing you how to do the hair and the makeup, so how I styled the hair and also how I did this gorgeous like summery makeup. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.